If multiplying polynomials feels confusing, watch this. These 5 questions will make it much easier. We will be using the property of distribution, which means the number outside of the brackets gets multiplied in all the terms inside the brackets. So with the first question, we're just going to multiply the -9 and all the -5n squared and the 7n and the -3. So -9 times -5 is 45, because negative times negative is positive, and you still have the m squared. And -9 times +7 is -63, and you still have the m. And -9 times -3 is +27. And here, when you look at this, you don't have any like terms, so you cannot get any further than this. This is your final answer. Now let's look at this. And here, the 7 gets only distributed into the brackets. These brackets here mean the 7 is only distributed here. It has nothing to do with this. So 7 times 5 is 35x. And then I have my minus. 7 times 3y is 21y. And then I have minus 40x in here that I don't touch. It's not affected by the 7. These are like terms. This doesn't have a like term to it. So 35 minus 40 is negative 5x minus 21y. And this is your final answer. Now here, we got to distribute the -8x squared into here and to here. Okay. So -8x squared times 5x. -8 times 5 is -40. X squared times x, this x has a 1 on top of it. And you remember when we multiply variables, we add their exponents. So this becomes x to the power of 3. And then negative times positive here is going to change that to negative. -8 times +7 is -56. So we're just going to write -56. And x squared times y, just x squared y. Can we do anything here? No, we can't. We don't have any like terms. How about this one right here? Here, we distribute the 5 into here and to there, because the brackets here, it means the 5 affects both of these. And these brackets here mean the 2 affects all of these. So the 2 is going to be distributed here and here. 5 into here and to here. 5 times x, just 5x. 5 times 2 is 10, so plus 10. And then 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times -6 is -12. Here we have like terms. So this and this, we have to add them. And this are like terms, so we have to add them. So 5 plus 2 is 7x. So 5x plus 2x is 7x. 10 minus 12 is -2. And that's the final answer for this. Now, how about here? Here, we distribute the 3 into here, into here, into here. So that's a monomial times a trinomial. There's 3 things inside. So I have to multiply the 3 in all the 3 things inside. Also, I multiply the -6 in all the 3 things inside. That's what the brackets is for. If I close the brackets here, for instance, you only multiply it here and there. But because everything here is inside the brackets and the -6 in front of all of that, so the -6 has to be multiplied in all of them. And after that, you collect like terms. So 3 times 2a is 6a. 3 times 10b is plus 30b. Minus 3 times 2c is minus 6c. -6 times a is -6a. Remember, that's the negatives are sign change. -6 times -2b is plus 12b. And -6 times positive 5c is minus 30c. Collect like terms. So 6a minus 6a is 0, because they cancel out. 30b plus 12b is 42b. And -6c minus 30c is -36c. Think you've mastered polynomials? Try solving these on your own and comment how many you got right. Thanks for watching. See you next time.